Hello everyone, welcome back to Archana's Teaching Up. If you are preparing for CTET Feb 2026 and want guaranteed marks from CDP, then this session is non negotiable. Today we are going to master one of the most important and most repeated topics in a child development and pedagogy, Jean Piaget's Cognitive Development Theory. In this one shot power pack session, you will simple and clear theory, smart tricks to remember all stages, most important PYQs, highly scoring MCQs, exam hall approach. So grab your notebook and stay till the end and don't skip any part. Because one correct concept here can push your CTET score ahead of thousands of candidates. Let's begin now. Question number 1. A 22-year-old girl said that Jean Piaget is a radical constructivist. What does the term radical constructivist means? Option 1. Learning is done in a controlled environment where teacher acts as a facilitator. Option 2. Learning is constructed by the learner and all the knowledge depends on the cognitive structure of the learner. Option 3. Learning is done through traditionalist approach where the teacher acts as a supreme authority of a knowledge. Option 4. Learning is built on a child's current thinking. Correct answer is option 2. Learning is constructed by the learner and all the knowledge depends on the cognitive structure of the learner. According to Piaget, knowledge is not given by the teacher. Children construct knowledge on their own based on their mental structure. Question number 2. A class of could-be teachers were asked to write one critique of Piaget's theory. Which of the following student is wrong? Option 1. Ritika. Piaget missed the impact of a social environment and culture on cognitive development. Option 2. Radha. His theory is not based on observation of children from different culture. Option 3. Samay. Piaget underestimate the abilities of a children because of the task used during experiments. Option 4. Asim. He has taken children only from 0 to 12 years of age. Option 1. Ritika. Option 2. Radha. Option 3. Samay. Option 4. Asmin. Correct answer is 4. Asmin. Piaget studied development beyond 12 years, also formal operational stage. So, Amin's statement is wrong. Question number 3. Jean Piaget said that children are little scientists. What does the term little scientist mean? Option 1. Children passively construct their knowledge. Option 2. Children construct their knowledge with the help of MKO and scaffolding. Option 3. Children have a set of schema in their brain. Option 4. Children actively construct their knowledge. Correct answer is option 4. Children actively construct their knowledge. Children explore, experiment, and actively build their own understanding, just like scientists. Question number 4. A child shows the following characteristics. Option 1 displays more effective spatial reasoning. Option 2 logical operations applied to concrete problems. Option 3 begins to comprehensive sequence of numbers. The child falls in which stage of Jean Piaget cognitive development? Option 1 sensory motor stage. Option 2 pre operational stage. Option 3 concrete operational stage. Option 4 formal operational stage. Correct answer is option 3 concrete operational stage. Logical thinking with a real object and understanding numbers sequence are features of the concrete operational stage. Question number 5. The quantity of thoughts of children is the same as adults, but the quality of thoughts is different. Reason: the stage of gene Piaget are universal and invariant. Option 1: both A and R true, but R is correct explanation of A. 2: A is true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. 3: A is true, but R is false. Option 4: A and R both true, but R is not correct explanation of A. Correct answer is 4. A and R both true, but R is not correct explanation of A. Both statements are true, but universality of a stages does not explain different in a quality of thinking. Question number 6. One of the main characteristics of pre-operational thought, according to Jean Piaget, is dash, which refers to the tendency of focus on one aspect of a situation and neglect others. Option 1: causation. Option 2: centration. Option D 3: decentration. Option 4: transduction. Transduction. Correct answer is 2: centration. Centration means focusing on only one features and ignoring others. Question number 7. 4-year-old Aparna says that a button is alive because he helps tie her and his shirt together. According to Jean Piaget, her thinking is characterized by option 1: transductive reasoning, option 2: antimistic thinking, option 3: centration, option 4: hypothetical deductive thinking. Correct answer is option 2: antimistic thinking. Giving life-like qualities to non-living things is called antimistic thinking. Question number 8. As per Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development, which ability discussed concrete operational thinking from pre-operational thinking? Option 1: coordination of senses. Option 2: decentralizing. Option 3: hypothetical reasoning. Option 4: object permanence. Correct answer is option 2: decentering. Decentering means considering multiple aspects at the same time, which develops in the correct concrete operational stage. Question number 9. According to Jean Piaget's role of the teacher is to provide opportunity to concrete disequilibrium. B. Use methods that require discovery and concrete construction. C. Focus on product rather than process. Option D. Give lecture to student for ease of learning. Option 1 only A, option 2 only A and B, option 3 A, B, C, option 4 A, B, C, D. Correct answer is 2 only A and B. Piaget supports discovery learning and creative cognitive conflict, not rote lectures. Question number 10. Piaget assumed that all children go through the same sequence of a development but at different rates. Therefore, teacher must plan activities. Option 1 outside of the classroom. Option 2 inside the classroom. Option 4 for individual children and small groups, not just for the whole class. Option 4 according to need of the curriculum. Correct answer is option 3 for individual children are a small group, not just for the whole class. Children develop at a different speed, so teaching should be individualized. individualized. Question number 11. After getting out in a game due to the rope getting stuck in her leg while jumping, Aru says that the rope deliberately got her out. At that stage, do children reason like this? Option 1 concrete operational stage. Option 2 formal operational stage. Option 3 sensory motor stage. Option 4 pre operational stage. Correct answer is 4 pre operational stage. This shows antimistic thinking, a feature of the pre operational stage. Question number 12. Jean Piaget believed that knowledge is option 1 inherent and giving rather than acquired through interactions. Option 2 co-construct in interactions with more knowledgeable others. Option 3 a visible behavior change that can be measured. Option 4, construct by the child rather than being passed passively from the environment. Correct answer is 4, a visible behavior change that can be measured. Knowledge is actively constructed by the child, not passively received. Question number 1. A teacher encourages students to discover mathematical relationship by experimenting with object rather than explaining rules directly. This approach is most closely related to which Piaget principle? Option A, reinforcement. Option B, discovery learning. Option C, conditioning. Option D, rote memorization. Correct answer is option B, discovery learning. According to Piaget, children construct knowledge actively. Learning should be happen through exploration, manipulation and discovery, not passive listening. Question number 2. A child believes that the amount of water change when poured into a taller glass. This indicates lack of option A, reversibility, option B, conversion, option C, egocentrism, option D, symbolic thinking. Correct answer is option B, conservation. Conservation is the understanding that quantity remain the same, dispute change in a shape. Failure of conservation is typical of the pre-operational stage. Question number 3. Which activity best helps a child move from pre-operational to concrete operational stage? Option A, memorizing definition. Option B, watching videos only. Option C, hands-on experiments. Option D, listening to lectures. Correct answer is option C, hands-on experiments. Concrete operational children learn best through real objects and practical activities, not abstract lectures. Question number 4. When a child modifies existing schema after new experience, it is called option A, assimilation, option B, equilibration, option C, accommodation, option D, organization. Correct answer is option C, accommodation. Assimilation means fit new information into old schema. Accommodation means change schema itself. Accommodation shows real learning. Question number 5. A child can mentally reverse actions like 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 and 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. This ability is called option A, centration, option B, reversibility, option C, egocentrism, option D, animism. Correct answer is option B, reversibility. Reversibility develops in the concrete operational stage and is essential for logical thinking. Question number 6. Which stage of Piaget allows abstract and hypothetical thinking? Option A, sensory motor, option B, pre-operational, option C, concrete operational, option D, formal operational. Correct answer is option D, formal operational. Formal operational stage 11 plus years enables abstract reasoning, hypothetical situations, scientific thinking. Question number 7. A child thinking that the sun follows him while walking shows. Option A, logical thinking. Option B, egocentrism. Option C, conservation. Option D, reversibility. Correct answer is option B, egocentrism. Egocentrism means inability to see from others' perspectives, common in pre-operational stage. Question number 8. According to Piaget, the role of teacher in a classroom should be option A, authority and controller. Option B, knowledge transmitter. Option C, facilitator of learning. Option D, examiner only. Correct answer is option C, facilitator of learning. Teachers should provide rich learning environment and guide students to discover knowledge themselves. Question number 9. Which of the following best represent schema? Option A, fixed intelligence. Option B, learning objective. Option C, mental structure of understanding. Option D, memory technique. Correct answer is option C, mental structure of understanding. Schema is a mental framework that helps organize and interpret information. Question number 10. Piaget believed intelligence develops mainly due to option A, reward and punishment. Option B, maturation and interaction with environment. Option C, teaching methods. Option D, language learning. Correct answer is option B, maturation and interaction with environment. Cognitive development is a result of biological maturation, active interaction with environment. Theory. Cognitive development means development of thinking, reasoning, and understanding. Intellectual development means growth of intelligence with age. Piaget was a Swiss psychologist. Is an active constructor. Child actively builds knowledge, not a passive learner. Builder of knowledge. Knowledge is constructed through experiences. Piaget said, child is a little scientist. Child experiments and discovers the world. Schema means mental structures. Existing or previous knowledge stored in the mind. Child actively construct his or her knowledge. Piaget was a radical constructivist. Knowledge is constructed by the learner. Cognitive structure is present at birth. It develops fully by 14 to 15 years of age. Piaget divided cognitive development into four stages. First, collective monologues 3 to 5 years. Children talk without real interaction. Development is discontinuous. Development occurs in stages, not smoothly. Four elements of cognitive development. MESE. First, maturation means growth due to heredity and genetics. Second, experience means learning through actives and environment. 3. Social interaction. Learning through interaction with others. 4. Equilibration. Means a mental balance between old and new knowledge. Now, process of equilibration. Equilibration means maintaining mental balance. Adaptation means adjusting to the environment. Organization means arranging knowledge systematically. Adaptation has two parts. First, assimilation means adding new information to existing schema. Second, accommodation means modifying existing schema to fit new information. Process of adaptation. First, assimilation. Assimilation means adding information to existing knowledge. Equilibration means stages of mental balance. New situation, encountering new information. Disequilibrium means mental imbalance. Accommodation means adjusting or changing knowledge. Now, stages of cognitive development. SPCF. First, sensory motor stage 0 to 2 years. Reflect actions in this stage. Sensory and motor activities in a first stage. Learning through senses. Object permanence. Out of sight is not out of mind. Defer imitation. Goal directed behavior. Senses are teachers. Things with eyes, hands, and ears. Second, pre operational stage 2 to 7 years. Lacks logics, lacks reversibility. Animes means giving life to non living objects. Egocentrism means child thinks everyone thinks like him. Symbolic thought means language, letters, numbers. Lack of conservation means quality judged by appearance. Centration means focus on one aspect only. Third, concrete operational stage 7 to 11 years. Logical thinking for a concrete objects. Classification grouping objects by color, shape, size. Conservation achieved. Reversibility decentration. CCS trick. C means conservation, C classification, S seriation. Now last 4 formal operational stage 11 to 15 years. Abstract thinking, hypothetical deductive reasoning. Now we will see PYQs. First, one of the main characteristics of pre-operational thoughts according to Jean Piaget is which refers to the tendency to focus on one aspect of a situation and neglect others. Correct answer is option 2, centration. In the pre-operational stage, children focuses on only one feature of a situation and ignore others. Question number 2. 4-year-old Aparna says that a button is alive because it helps tie her shirt together. According to Jean Piaget, her thinking is characterized by. Correct answer is option 2, animistic thinking. Animistic thinking means attributing like qualities to non-living things. Question number 3. As per Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development, which of the following ability distinguishes concrete operational thinking from pre-operational thinking? Correct answer is option 2, decentering. Decentering allows children to consider multiple aspects of a situation which develops in the concrete operational stage. Question number 4. According to Jean Piaget, role of the teacher is to. Correct answer is option 2, only A and B. A. Provide opportunities to create disequilibrium. B. Use methods that require discovery and construction. Piaget emphasized discovery, learning, and cognitive conflict, not lecture based teaching. Question number 5. After getting out in the game due to the rope getting stuck in her leg while jumping, Aru says that the rope deliberately got her out. At that stage of Jean Piaget's theory of cognitive development, do children reason like this? Correct answer is option 4, pre-operational stage. Pre-operational stage, children shows animistic and egocentric thinking during the pre-operational stage. Question number 6. Jean Piaget believed that knowledge is. Correct answer is option 4, constructed by the child rather than being passed passively from the environment. Piaget believed learners actively construct knowledge. Question number 7. A child realizes that a four-legged animal that next cannot fit into her existing schema. For a dog, what process will she undertake to fit this new information into her schemas? Correct answer is option D, accommodation. Accommodation involves modifying existing schemas to include new information. Question number 8. In Piaget's theory of cognitive development, what is the goal of the concrete operational stage? Correct answer is option 1, operational thought. Children develop logical thinking about concrete object in this stage. Question number 9. Which of the following statement correctly describe the difference in a point of view of Vygotsky and Piaget in terms of learning and development? Correct answer is option 3. Vygotsky, learning precede development. Piaget, development precede learning. Vygotsky emphasized social learning first, while Piaget emphasized developmental readiness. Question number 10. From a Piagetian perspective, the process of thinking new information into the existing body of knowledge is called. Correct answer is option 3, assimilation. Assimilation means adding new information to existing schemas without changing them. Question number 11. Meena has begun to use words and started understanding that words uh, respect represent objects. She is also beginning to reason logically too. She cannot perform conservation according to Jean Piaget. Which stage of cognitive development is Meena in? Correct answer is option 1, pre-operational. Symbolic thinking develops in the pre-operational stage, but conservation is not yet achieved. Question number 12. Assertion A. According to Piaget, children is the pre-operational stage can engaging in abstract thinking. Reason: the pre-operational stage is characterized by symbolic thinking but lacks the ability to think logically about abstract concepts. Correct answer is option 4. A is false but R is true. Pre-operational children show symbolic thinking but cannot think abstractly or logically. Question number 30. In Piaget's theory, what a process describes an infant actions when she changes the way she holds her hand as she reach for round objects as opposed to square ones? Correct answer is option 1, accommodation. Accommodation involves modifying existing actions or schemas to fit new situations. Question number 14. According to Jean Piaget, when a child is shows a toy and then it is hidden, instead of forgetting about it, the child tries to find that toy. At dash stage, this characteristic is found in the child and it is called dash. Correct answer is option 3, sensory motor and object permanence. Object permanence develop during the sensory motor stage. Question number 50. According to Jean Piaget, the ability to use symbols or symbols such as letting the letter X stand for an unknown number develops during dash and enable the children to learn dash. Correct answer is option 1, formal operational stage, algebra and calculus. Abstract and symbolic thinking develops in the formal operational stage. Question number 16. Assertion A. Egocentrism is a problematic in the pre-operational stage according to Piaget's theory. Reason: egocentrism allows children to understand others' perspectives better. Correct answer is option 3. A is true but R is false. Egocentrism means inability to understand others' perspectives. Question number 17. According to Jean Piaget, which of these factors plays an important role in cognitive development? Correct answer is option 1, activity. Piaget emphasizes active learning through interaction with an environment. Question number 80. Which of the following is a correctly matched pair? Correct answer is option 4, formal operational stage. Abstract thinking. Abstract and hypothetical thinking appears in the formal operational stage. That's all for today's session on Jean Piaget's cognitive development theory with complete PYQs. If you revise these questions and concepts regularly, you can easily score full marks in a CTET. Don't forget to revise the tricks And if you found this session helpful, like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to Archana's Teaching Up. See you in the next class. Keep learning, keep revising, and stay exam ready. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.